You're watching Fishing in Germany, which should be retitled to Blanking in Germany because that's all I've been doing for a while now. It's getting into that. Actually, tomorrow it'll be 3 months since I caught my last fish. But I did catch a personal best. This big, huge river carp. It was a leather carp, no scales at all on it. Beautiful fish. And for a river carp where I fish, this is the biggest one I've gotten. It was 7.6 kilos, which is over 16.5 pounds. So it was a nice fish, put up a really good fight. I caught him on a Popup boilie with a piece of corn on it on a hair rig. So lately, like I've been blanking, but I have been getting some bites here and there. I have been fishing still like about 5 days a week. The weather's been not so great in the wintertime. But corn has been my most successful bait so far lately. And in the wintertime, I usually have good luck with it. This was caught in October 24th. So that tells you it's been almost 3 months since I caught a fish. I did catch, a month later, I caught a calabash. In English, it's like Eurasian rufa. Here's a picture. And yeah, they don't get big. They're cool little fish. They look like perch. And it was cool to catch it this time of year in November because all the bait fish go really dormant then. So that was kind of a rare thing. In the summertime, yeah, they're really common. They're kind of annoying. But here's the footage. Meanwhile, yeah, I haven't been posting videos because it's not that exciting to watch someone sit there and blank. I will get some soon, some more videos, even making rigs and things like that. And hopefully I like to get the videos of where I'm catching fish. I've been busy I do other channels too. I have a cooking channel. A lot of it's based on cast iron cooking. And a music channel for guitar and different instruments. I'll put those links in the description if you guys want to check those out. Always like the extra support. But meanwhile, here's the fish.
Feels like a carp. Yeah, that's a carp. Finally. Careful, because I have a small hook. My thread's a bit sticky. Well, ghost carp. I've never caught one of those, especially one in person. Does not want to give up. He's all tangled in this line too. Shit. Almost. The net. Yes. Blink for a month. That's a big carp for this river. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. This might be a PB. Jesus. Huh. Get a look at it. Popup, boilie, and a corn. Damn. I think this is a new PB. I'm almost positive. I gotta weigh them. Jeez. Now, I don't know if this is a ghost carp. Really light colors. Beautiful. But yes. Time to get my scales out. Get some photos. That was a good 5-minute, 6-minute fight. Small hook too. You see that's a really small hook. I can see it on camera. That made my day. Oh, it's been over a month since I caught a fish. Anything decent. I'm trying for pike and I haven't used Popup boilies in a while. Mostly worm and corn. So this makes me happy. Fat boy or girl. Wow. Beautiful fish. Mirror carp with not one single scale on it. Alright, let's get some photos. I'm fucking